In this video, we discuss about indirection operator. It is denoted by star symbol. It is used in pointers concept to access values of variables. It is used to access values referenced by pointers. Its associativity is from right to left. This is the syntax: indirection operator followed by variable. We see an example. In the last video, we have already seen about address of operator. Address of operator is used to get address of a variable. Now in this example, I have taken a variable a with value 10, and then in the next statement, I have declared a pointer variable int star p that is equal to ampersand a. That means I have assigned address of a variable to p variable, and then in the later statements I am printing a value using a variable directly, and in the second printf statement I want to print a value by using p. Instead of using a, I want to print a value using p variable. In this fashion we can use pointers concept. In this likewise we can use indirection operator. We see what would be the value. We run this program. After running this program, both printf statements are giving a value. A value is equal to 10, and in the second printf statement also a value is equal to 10. Now what is the difference here? In the first printf statement we have printed a value by using a variable directly. In the second printf statement we have printed a value by using p variable. Now we see how we got this particular value. First of all, we see we have declared a variable a. Let us say this is variable a. Now assume that the memory location assigned for this variable is 1000. In that 1000 address we have stored value 10. Now a is the variable and its assigned memory location is, its address is 1000, and in that 1000 address we have stored value a. Now we have declared another variable p. Now p is the pointer variable. Pointer variable means it stores address of another variable. Now assume that now p also contains another memory location. Let us say 2000 memory location is assigned to p. 1000 is the memory location of a, 2000 is the memory location of p. Now what p is containing? P is containing address of a. Now what is address of a? Address of a is 1000. Now p contains 1000. That means now p is indirectly pointing to a. P is pointing to a. Now in the first printf statement we have directly used a. That means we got a value that is 10. In the second printf statement we have printed a value by using p value. We have used statement like this, star p. Now we interpret this particular statement. Star p is equal to star of p means, now what p is containing? P contains address of a. P contains address of a. That is equal to star of. Now what is address of a? 1000. Address of a 1000. Now what the star indicates here? Value at this particular address. That means value at this particular 1000. Now what is the value in 1000? 10. That means now we are accessing a value 10 by using p value. In this fashion we can use dereferencing operator. That is indirection operator. That is about indirection operator. It is used in pointers concept in order to access or in order to point to another variables or in order to access another variables values by using pointers. Star p is equal to star of ampersand a, ampersand a value is 1000, star of 1000, the value at that particular location, that is 10.